In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Google Drive to Pipedrive. Connecting these two tools is a great way to keep all of your files, proposals, and documents organized right inside your deals and contacts without having to jump back and forth between different tabs. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll have Google Drive fully integrated with your Pipedrive account. First, make sure you're logged into Pipedrive. On the top right corner of your screen, you'll see your profile area. This might show your name, your initials, or a small profile icon. Go ahead and click that, and from the drop-down menu that appears, choose Personal Preferences. This is where you manage settings that are specific to your own user account, rather than company-wide settings. Once you're in Personal Preferences, look at the menu or tabs available and find the option labeled Google Drive. Click on that to open the Google Drive integration page. This section is dedicated to connecting your Google account so that Pipedrive can access and organize your Drive files alongside your CRM data. On the Google Drive page, you'll see a button that says Connect Now next to Google Drive. Click Connect Now. This will open a new window or tab that takes you to the Google Permissions screen. Here, you'll be asked to select the Google account you want to connect. Choose the account where you store the files you plan to use with Pipedrive. After selecting your account, Google will show you a list of permissions that Pipedrive is requesting. These typically include the ability to view and manage files in your Google Drive so that documents can be attached, created, or organized directly from Pipedrive. Review the permissions, and when you're comfortable with them, click Allow to grant access. Once the connection is successful, you'll be taken back to Pipedrive. On the same Google Drive settings page, you'll see an option to link Google Drive folders to Pipedrive items automatically. If you turn this toggle on, Pipedrive will automatically create and link a folder in Google Drive for each relevant item, such as a deal or contact. This can save you time and keep your file structure consistent, especially if you work with a lot of documents. If you prefer to manage folders manually, you can leave this turned off, but most teams find the automation very helpful. After you've chosen your preference, make sure you click Save. This final step confirms your settings and activates the integration, so don't skip it. That's it. You've now linked Google Drive to Pipedrive, and you're ready to start attaching and managing your files directly within your CRM.